Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Polo Style 1.0 TSI with 95 horsepower in sleek grey. This hatchback is perfect for city driving with its 1-litre engine, manual transmission and fuel-efficient petrol type. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and multiple airbags, this Polo Style ensures safety and comfort. With luxury trim, LEDs and privacy glass, you'll ride in style and security. Benefit from technologies like Wi-Fi, voice control and collision avoidance braking for a smooth drive every time. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer's specifications, and comes with comprehensive warranties. Find out more about this 2024 Volkswagen Polo Style at michaelmoore.ie. Don't miss out on your chance to own this top-of-the-line hatchback. Call us now or visit our website for more details.